Hello kids, welcome to Veggie Garden. I am Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. I can boost your immune system and packed with lots of nutrients. I have a lot of friends. Let's meet them one by one.
Little bunnies met my friend Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T. It's super juicy and delicious.
Yo! I'm Carrot. I'm full of beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in your body. I help you see better, especially in the dark. So, if you want to have night vision like a ninja, munch on me.
Kids met my friend Broccoli, B-R-O-C-O-L-I. It's super yummy in taste.
Hi there, I'm Broccoli, and I'm packed with vitamin C and K. I help you grow strong bones and keep you healthy. Plus, I look like a little tree. Isn't that cool?
It's my friend Brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L. It's give you energy to play all day long.
Hello lovelies, I am Brinjal, people also called me Eggplant. I am not just tasty but also super healthy. I help you to stay strong and powerful.
Here is my other friend Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O. It's super cute.
Hello, friends. I'm Tomato. I'm juicy and full of antioxidants, which protect your body from getting sick. I'm also great for your skin, so you'll have a bright, shiny face.
Friends, these are peas, P-E-A-S. These little guys keeps you energetic.
We're peas. We're small but mighty. We have lots of fiber, which helps your tummy feel happy and healthy. We also have protein to help you grow big and strong.
This is Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. It's very cool and full of water contents.
Hello kids, I am Cucumber. I am refreshing and hydrating. I am crunchy and used in salads. I am packed with a lot of vitamins that is great for your health.
Veggies are awesome kids. Remember to eat veggies every day. They are fun and delicious and they make you super strong and healthy. Let's all cheer for veggies.
Thank you for watching kids.
Like, subscribe and share for more entertaining videos.